Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are doing good. Are you ready with your math book, children? Yes, come on, let's start. Children, open page number 73 and write today's date, children. Here we have the heading. Write the place value of the underlined digits in the following numbers. Here the first number is 274. Here 2 is underlined. 2 is in hundreds place, so it is written as 200, and write the number for 200. 200 is 200. Next 905. Here the tens place, in tens place we have 0. 0 is underlined here, so it is 0 tens is 0 itself. So you can write 0 tens, or just you can write 0 also. 0 tens, it is 0. Next number 486. 6 is underlined here. 6 is in ones place, so 6 ones is 6. Now let's move on to the sixth question, that is write the expanded form of these numbers. The first number is 254. See how you pronounce, how you tell the numbers, the same thing you have to write down. You have to write down the place value of each digit. That is called as the expanded form. Here 2 is in hundreds place. We write it as 200 plus, and 5 is in tens place. Write it as 50, and 4 is in ones place. Write 4 as it is. Now next number 651. 6 is in hundreds place. Write down 600 plus 5 is in tens place. Write down 50 plus 1 is in ones place. Write down 1. Now next number is 750. 7 is in hundreds place. Write down 700 plus 5 is in tens place. Write 50 plus 0 is in ones place. Write 0 as it is. Now let's move to the next number 824. 800 plus 20 plus 4. The next sum you write down, children. Now let's move to the seventh question. Here we have the heading, compare the numbers and put the correct sign, that is less than, greater than or equal to sign. Now here the first number, here it is 25 and 145. We have to compare these two numbers. Here 25 is a 2-digit number, 145 is a 3-digit number. 2-digit number is less than the 3-digit number, so write down less than symbol. Now next we have to compare 123 and 145. So both are 3-digit numbers. First compare the hundreds place in a 3-digit number. So in hundreds place we have 1, so both are same. Go for the next digit, that is compare the tens place. Here we have 2 and here we have 4. 2 is less than 4. Now next 304 and 340. Both are 3 in hundreds place. Compare the tens place. Here it is 0 and here it is 4. 0 is less than 4. 354 and 125. Here compare the hundreds place. Here it is 3 and here it is 1. So 1 is smaller than 3. So write greater than sign. This pointed side should point to the smaller number. 354 is greater than 125. Now the next number is 741 and 741. Both the numbers are equal, so write down equal to sign. Now next 815 and 818. Both are 8 in their hundreds place, so compare the tens place. Here we have 1 and here also 1. Now compare the ones place. Here we have 5 and here we have 8. 5 is less than 8, so write down less than. 815 is less than 818. The remaining 3 sums you do, children. Let's move on to the next question. Arrange the given numbers in ascending order. The meaning of ascending order is arranging the numbers from small to big. Now here all are 3-digit numbers except this 50. 50 is a 2-digit number. So 2-digit number is smaller than 3-digit number. Strike out 50 and write 50 in the first box. 365, 241, 236. Here compare the hundreds place, all are 3-digit numbers. Here we have 2, 2 is small, but we have 2 2's. So compare the tens place. Here it is 4 and here it is 3. So 336 is small. Strike out to 236. Next comes 241 and the last one left is 365. Let's move to the second question. Here all are 3-digit numbers except this 87. 87 is a 2-digit number. So 2-digit number is smaller than a 3-digit number. Strike out 87 and write 87 in the first box. Here next compare the hundreds place. 4, 4 and 6. 4 is smaller than 6, but we have 2 4s. So compare the next place, that is tens place. Here we have 7 and here we have 5. So 456 is small. Next comes 475. The last number left is 620. Strike out 620 and write 620 in the box, children. Now let's move to the last heading, that is 9th question. Arrange the given numbers in descending order. The meaning of descending order is arranging the numbers from big to small. Here children, all are 3-digit numbers except this 52. 52 is smallest number. So compare the hundreds place, 1, 2 and 3. Now 3 is big. So 369 comes first. Next 245 and the next one is 156 and the last one is 52. Now let's move to the next question. Here 4 numbers are given, arrange in descending order. Now here compare the hundreds place. Here it is 4, next is 2, 9 and 7. Now which digit is big? 9 is big, so 980 comes first. Next is 7 is big, so 752. Next one 4 is big, so 420. Last one is 236. All of you open page number 75 and write today's date, children. Here is a heading for you, a value for you. A value for you. I'll read the question for you. In a locality, 249 children and 216 adults participated in a cleanliness drive. So, in a locality means here in an area there is a cleanliness drive. There is a cleanliness drive to keep the surroundings of their houses or the area clean. Here the questions posed were there more children or more adults? Here see the numbers, 249 children and 216 adults participated. So were there more children or more adults? More children. 249 is big, greater than 216. So children, write down children, CHILDREN, children. Now which of the two numbers is greater? Is it 249 or 216? It is 249. Now have you ever participated in a cleanliness drive? So have you participated in keeping your house clean or your surroundings clean, classroom clean, or the school compound or the playground clean? Did you participate in any one of these or some other area where you must have participated in the cleanliness drive? If it is yes, circle yes, otherwise no. Here, why should we keep our surroundings clean and how can we do it? Discuss any of the two diseases that can occur because of unclean surroundings. Here, come on, tell me children, what will happen if we won't keep our houses and our surroundings clean? Naturally, diseases will spread. So, to avoid diseases, we have to keep our surroundings clean. Now, come on, tell me, what are the kind of diseases you may get if the surroundings are not clean? Come on, tell me. And if you have any idea, write any 2 diseases names. Okay, I will write fever. In fever also we have many types, malaria, dengue fever, and so many. And the other one you can write nausea or headaches because of that pollution and all. Okay, you can fill up any of the diseases here. Now let's move on to the next heading, that is ask your buddy. Give your partner 2 3-digit numbers. Your partner will read the numbers and compare them. So I will write my numbers here. You can write your own numbers, children. It is not necessary that you have to write only these numbers. So I will write 328. I will write 328 and 512, children. Now here compare the hundreds place. Both are 3-digit numbers. In a 3-digit number you have to compare the hundreds place. Here it is 3 and here it is 5. So 3 is smaller than 5. So 328 is less than 512. Thank you for listening. Have a fantastic day, children.